Sri Guru Charana Kamalebhyo Namaha. I pay my most humble obeisances to my divine spiritual master, Sri Prabhupāda, who was sent by Lord Kṛṣṇa to this world to liberate me by showing the path of divinity to reach the spiritual world. I am indebted to him forever, at every minute, every time, during whole day and night. I follow his instructions and will carry on till my last breath. I was asked by devotees to talk about the problems of people in this world in present age and the solution to the problems. There are physical problems, mental problems, problems created by other living entities, problems arising from material nature, and problems coming from demigods or divine beings. Like that, there are problems. Just remaining in problems and experiencing problems anybody can do, but searching for the solution for problems only smart, intelligent, and lucky people do. The problems stated in Śrīmad Bhāgavatam is Daridra Dukkha Jvara Danhitanam Maya Vishanam Parimarditanam Sansara Sindho Paripatitanam Khemaya Vai Bhāgavata Prasadam. Poverty, problems of poverty, miseries of different kinds, physical, mental, and so on. Jvara means afflictions. And incessant desires for material enjoyment and not sufficiently supplied for pleasure, or remaining unsatisfied, dissatisfied with sense objects, helplessly swimming in the vast ocean of material existence, not knowing where we will go after leaving this world. In every step they are helpless. For such people, came I away just to relinquish all these problems, just to solve these problems, just to remove these problems. The Bhāgavatam Pradhāna, Śrīmad Bhāgavatam was spoken. Why came I away? Why means certainly, actually, this Śrīmad Bhāgavatam will solve all the problems. Iha ghore kalo prayo jivachasvaratam gata. In this dense darkness of Kali Yuga in this material world, all living entities have developed demonic qualities. Demonic qualities means anger, jealousy, avarice, greed, thinking to be superior to others, superiority complex, lust, or trying to accumulate more. These are called asura qualities. Kleshakranta, all this struggle, quarrel, fight, disagreement. Sodhani, King Balarām. Sodhani means to remove, to purify one, to remove all these problems, to purify one. Śrīmad Bhāgavatam, Śrīmad Bhāgavatam was spoken. Satyam nasti, daya nasti, tapaha nasti, saucha nasti, Kali-yuga. People will develop the qualities of mercilessness. They will not be merciful. They will hate devotees. They will think devotees are no good. They are lazy. They will think, until they are active, very good. They are materialistic. They will. I remember this. One old lady told me that my son would be, I was scared my son would become a devotee because he's associating with devotees. I was very scared. And then she took her son and now he became a meat eater, and he don't know meat eating is bad because mother never taught him to not eat meat or meat eating is bad. When I was preaching to him, he brought his wife, medical doctor. He brought his wife, and wife said, he wants to eat meat, what can I do? I have to cook. And he says, she wants to cook, she cooks meat, what can I do? Satyam nasti, there is no truthfulness. People are not interested in exact truth. Truth means God. God is the truth. And people are not interested. When there is a problem, they will say, gosh, not even God. This is satyam nasti, saucham nasti. There is no cleanliness. Saucham nasti. I mean, neither they are clean inside their heart or mind. They may be clean outside in their clothes. They are not taking proper bath like that. Like that, these people, that way, they carry on like that. So for that, Śrīmad Bhāgavatam was spoken. Śrīmad Bhāgavatam was spoken in Naimisharanya. There's a place where all the sages gather. Naimisharanya is a place, it's called hub of the universe. It's a chakra tirtha. In a holy place. Holy place is made by either a saint, sages due to performing his austerity at tapasya, or a holy river runs around there, or Lord appeared in that place. One of these reasons make a place become a holy place. So there are many holy places in India, but all these sages gathered in Naimisharanya near Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, because there is a chakra tirtha. Chakra means a disc weapon of God. That chakra tirtha, disc weapon, they chose that place because there would be no disturbance from demonic people. So to be free from disturbance from demonic quality of people, the sages and saintly people chose that Chakra Tirtha or Naimisharanya to hear about the solution to remove all the problems of life. One may wonder, I can hear Śrīmad Bhāgavatam from any devotee I want. Not like that. Bhāgavatam, or the solution of life, should be heard from Vaishnava. Bhaktāram Vaishnavam Vipram. Vishuddho Hayavansadam. See, very important. The speaker of the solution of problems of life, Śrīmad Bhāgavatam, should be Ubhayavansajam, should be born in the unbroken chain of Brahmin tradition and should be initiated in the chain, unbroken chain of spiritual succession. Vishuddho Bhayavansajam. Vishuddha means unbroken. Ubhaya means two. Vansajam means lineage. Ubhayavansajam. Bhaktāram Vaishnavam Vipram. Vipram means learned. Vipra, very learned person. Should be coming in two successions, unbroken succession. From that person, this should be heard. Then it will benefit. Many people, they speak Bhagavatam nowadays. And people hear it, but they don't follow them because the speaker himself is not correct. I remember this. Once one of my godbrothers told me that he memorized 3 lectures. He just repeats them from place to place or whenever he is asked. Or before giving lecture, look into the books. That is called bookish knowledge. Another is realized knowledge. Realized knowledge is when you chant japa, whatever you read, you chant japa, then that is realized. Jnanam vijnana sahitam yajñātva moksha. You want to become relinquished of all the problems. Ashubha means inauspicious problems. The problems. You want to remove your problems? You must know jnana and vijnana. Vijnana means realized knowledge. I remember in 1984, I think, I arrived in New York. My plane landed in New York, 2 o'clock in the morning. I reached the temple. Took my bath at 4 o'clock in Mangalarti. 5 o'clock immediately they asked me to give class. I arrived from India. So many hours of jet lags. And they made me, okay, I do, so no problem. So that was 5th canto of Śrīmad Bhāgavatam in regards to structure of the universe. That was going on there. One of my godbrothers, almost many of my godbrothers, one of them was Samāj Kṛṣṇa, who sat in front of me. I was getting lecture. So, preparing the lecture to talk is not the proper way. Proper way is to speak what you have realized. Then it will happen. Naimisheshu samasinam. Sutta Goswami was placed in Naimisharanya Kshetra in a seat. Abhivadya, with humble respect and worship. Because Mahāmaṇḍaleshwar, he was greatly learned, self-realized soul. This is the procedure to listen to Śrīmad Bhāgavatam. How we will find a self-realized soul to associate with or to listen to is not meant for everyone. Everyone cannot receive this. They may listen to a professional. They may listen to a person who has just to have bookish knowledge. Learn from the book. Nowadays from internet. Or hear the speaker taking tea, coffee. You don't know eating onions. You don't know what is happening with him. No, that will not benefit. How we will find a pure devotee, a self-realized devotee, a perfect devotee, by listening to whom I get benefit, become free from all these material problems of life, is stated. Bhavapa vargo brahmato yada bhavi. When a person is about to receive liberation in this life, in that very life, if some living entity is going to be liberated, that person, janasya tarhechyuta sattvamadava, that person will receive the association or connection with that self-realized soul who is dedicated to the lotus feet of Achyuta, the infallible God, Kṛṣṇa. It's not everybody's fortune to receive such a blessing. If you listen to Śrīmad Bhāgavatam, you must contemplate every day what you have heard. After listening, Sravanam, comes Mananam, must contemplate. If you forget to contemplate, then read. Sada Sevya Śrīmad Bhāgavatam. Every day must study the Bhāgavatam. Nityam Bhāgavata Sevaya. Then you get benefit. Śrīmad Bhāgavatam means Ashtadasa Sahasra. Grantho Ashtadasa Sahasra. Dvadas Skanda Samanvitam. It has 18,000 slokas, 12 cantos. Parikshit Sukha Sambhādam. It is conversation between Sukadeva Goswami and Parikshit Maharaj. Parikshit Maharaj is the speaker, listener, and Sukadeva Goswami is the speaker. Sukadeva Goswami is self-realized soul from the birth. Parikshit Maharaj is inquisitive because he found out he had to die. He left. We read, we hear, we will die, but we cannot believe it. We don't contemplate that we will also die. But he was so lucky that he realized he had to die. And before that, wanted to prepare. It's very important. So every day we will discuss these points one by one. And if you have any questions, you can ask through our website, krsna.org. We will receive replies. Thank you very much.